Hey guys, Retard Gaming here, and we're back with the power and accuracy challenge. Logan took, the man who's pelvic thrusting took the power gun, which is the Roto Fury, and I get the crossbow. So we're gonna stick with the same two bases. We're gonna try and look for other bases around our house. Stop pelvic thrusting! What are you doing? Hold on, actually I wanna try that. Oh my god! That's so much fun.
Okay, on to the real stuff.
Oh my god.
Dylan has that little midget of a crossbow that is really accurate.
I have that monster.
This. Just to give you guys sizes, I'm about 4 foot. It takes up my whole chest. My body. Look at this.
Okay, so let's get ready to start the rounds.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
In 5. Ooh.
You have glasses on, right?
Yes, 2, 1, go.
Hey.
Oh.
No stairs. That's not okay.
I'm not going down the stairs. I'm only going down one step. Just trying to taunt you.
I see you. I see you. Oh my god.
I lost 2 darts on that one shot.
Yeah, that thing drops darts.
Don't hit the dog.
I hit Zoe.
Oh my god, dude, poor dog. This is so fun.
It's not fun for me.
Oh.
So, get a little bit cocky. You got shot in the ass. Ah, crap! My darts are back. Sorry, Zoe. I think I didn't shoot the dog twice. Dylan, go entertain the viewers.
Why? What are you doing?
Finding all my darts that are so graciously over here. I don't know why.
So yeah, I bet that footage was pretty funny of me getting shot in the butt.
The only problem is they couldn't see you jump up on the chair.
They could see me jump up on this chair, not that one.
Yeah, he jumped up on that chair over there, and I shot him. I shot him good. This was a real gun.
I got so cocky because he missed me 3 times.
And then
I thought he only had 1 or 2 bullets left, and then he hits me with his first or second to last.
That was my last. It was my second last.
Second to last dart, so.
Trade. We switch.
Alright.
Yeah.
Do we switch boundaries too, or do we stay with our boundaries?
I'll switch boundaries.
Okay. You have full bullets?
Yeah. Back forth. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm ready. Make sure. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Gotta know your gun before you start. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh. So
Ow!
oh. Holy crap! Dylan, there's a warning on your phone. I don't know what it says.
Something.
YOLO shot. Okay, here we go. Hey.
What are you doing back there?
Having fun.
Doing what? Uh-oh,
I can't get the door handle back. Oh no.
This is the perfect position.
Oh my god.
This is so uncomfortable, so come out. Please. The closet. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Uh-oh, I'm missing the dart. Here she is. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Yeah! Oh!
Randy.
Liar!
Okay, that was. This thing doesn't hurt unlike that thing. That hurt. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, so
And,
unfortunately we're only gonna have
We'll
to do
see
2
you
rounds.
all later.